So at the moment I have been making some really delicious salads, and I've been loading them up with extra ginger and extra immune boosting ingredients, and I thought it'd be really nice to show you guys exactly what I'm doing, maybe just to give you a bit of inspiration, just to show you how easy it is to infuse these super healthy, rich antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, virus busting ingredients in there. So let's quickly pop into my kitchen and see how easy this is to make. So what I've done is grated 2 medium-sized beetroots, and when I say medium-sized, I'm talking like tennis ball size. And then I'm going to get 1 large stalk of celery and just chop it up nicely. And then I've got about 1 inch cubed of fresh ginger, and I want to peel it by using a spoon. And just, if you use a spoon to peel it, it actually keeps most of the ginger intact and just takes away the skin. If I'm going to put it in a salad, I do like to take off the skin. Some people leave it on and that's fine too. This is organic. Anyway, so once you've peeled it-ish, then you're going to get the finest grater you can, and then you're just going to finely grate that. The reason I want this much ginger is because this is a salad that is designed to boost your immune system, so I want a lot in there. So what I've done is I've just got a really small clove of garlic and I've smashed it, chopped it really finely. I'm going to pop that in. The reason I'm putting that in is because garlic is really badass when it comes to boosting the immune system. It is really powerful. It works really well. So I want that in there. I'm not particularly a fan of raw garlic, but I know it's really good for me, so it's going in, and the other flavors are going to balance it out, so it's not going to be too overpowering. And then I've got these gorgeous kale leaves from the local farm shop. Just put some greens in. It doesn't really matter what greens you use, whatever you've got available. Just chop it up nice and finely. You don't want big chewy bits of kale. I like to keep the stalks as well. And it's really delicious and it's very adaptable. So basically use what you have available. If you have things like ginger and garlic, you want to be infusing them into whatever you have. This is whether there's a virus going around, whether it's kind of on a daily basis. It's really nice to have those things as a preventative, just to keep your system strong, to keep your family and friends strong as well. Just share it with them. It's really delicious, and you know, I can eat a whole ton of this. Well, not literally a ton, but you know, and you can vary it. You can add different vegetables and salad ingredients into it. So I hope that you enjoy this, or that it inspires you to make something similar. If you like what you see, please do give this video a thumbs up, share it. Come visit my website kindearth.net, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay up to date with all the latest. Thanks for being here, and bye for now.